Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on using a formula and you're told that the mass is equal to 2 times the age in years plus 5, where this is in brackets. You're told that the age of the sister is 4 years old and you've got to use this formula that is in this box to estimate, and that means work out her mass. So what is the mass given that the age is equal to 4? So you've got to do some substituting. The answer needs to get written in the box here and that will give you 1 mark. Next, you've got to work out, or you've been told the mass of the brother is 16 kilograms, so that means this side is equal to 16 and you've got to work out the age. So 16 is equal to this equation here, but how old is the brother? You've got to write your answer in here. Again, it is worth 1 mark. So each of these questions here is worth 1 mark. You've got to work out the mass and then you've got to work out the age. So your key facts are that you need to use BIDMAS. The B stands for brackets, the I stands for indices. Now in this question there are no indices. We do have brackets that you can see here around the age and then the 5. So we have got brackets, no indices which are your powers like squared. D stands for divide, there is no divide in this question. M stands for multiply, you can see you've got to multiply here. A stands for add, there is an add in the question but that is included within the bracket, so the B overtakes that value. And the S stands for subtract, and we don't have a subtract in the question. So what we're going to need to use is the brackets first, and then we've got to multiply our answer by 2. That's how we're going to do the first part. For the second part, we know the mass is 16. So to work out the age, we've got to work backwards. And to work backwards, we must do the opposite. So you need to know that the opposite of multiply is divide, and the opposite of add is subtract. So when we worked forward, we did the brackets and then we multiplied. Going backwards, we do the opposite of multiply, which was divide, then we do the subtract. Okay, because in the brackets was add, so we're going to do the opposite, which was subtract. Press pause, have a go at working out the 2 answers, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work. So to start with on this question here, we know this sister is 4 years old, so I'm going to replace the age in years with 4. 4 plus 5 is 9, times it by 2, gives me 2 times by 9. We can remove the brackets here because we've worked out the answer to 4 plus 5, and if the brackets were there, it would still be exactly the same as 2 times 9, or just written like you can see here. 2 times 9 is double 9, which is 18, and you need to write that in the box here for 1 mark. Now we've got to work backwards, so we're told the mass is equal to 16. So if you put 16 equal to 2 times the age plus 5, we can now work out the age. So we've got to do the opposite. So we did the brackets, then we multiplied. So instead of multiplying, we're going to do the opposite of multiply, which is divide. So we've got a times by 2 here, so we're first going to do the opposite to times by 2, which is divide by 2. So I've got to divide the 16 by 2, and I've got to divide the 2 by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8, and when I divide this side by 2, this times by 2 disappears, leaving just what's in the bracket, the age plus 5. Next we did the multiply, which changed to a divide, then we did the brackets, which had the add in it, so we've got to do the opposite of adding, which is subtracting. So the opposite, to get rid of this plus 5 here, we have to subtract 5 from both sides. So 8 take away 5 is 3, 5 take away 5 is nothing, leaving me with the age equaling to 3. And that needs to get written in this box here. Give yourself a big tick if you got this correct. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answers are 18 and 3 for 1 mark each. So 1M means 1 mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.